Today, we are going to time travel 250 million years into the past, and we are going to witness the evolution of dinosaurs in 5 minutes. So, let's start at the beginning of dinosaurs. The theories say that dinosaurs started evolution during the late Permian period. The dinosaurs evolved from the dominant reptiles known as Arkansas. They may even look like dinosaurs, and that's because they were ancestors to these incredible creatures. The Arkansas split up into 2 groups. One of these groups led to crocodiles and the other led to dinosaurs, which continued evolving into thousands of different species. Early dinosaurs began to walk on 2 legs, freeing their front limbs for other uses, like grabbing food and defending themselves. Triassic period. One of the earliest dinosaurs that evolved from the Arkansas was the eagle raptor. This dinosaur was about 1 meter tall and weighing 10 kilograms. We typically think of dinosaurs as these massive creatures, but it started after some years. Well, we should also see what's happening to Earth during this period. During the Triassic period, the supercontinent Pangaea starts to fragment, slowly affecting global climates and ecosystems. The climate became hot and dry, and there were no polar ice caps. The vegetation was also very different and was crucial for the survival and evolution of dinosaurs. Well, what are some other dinosaurs doing during this time? The other dinosaur is Coelophases of 1 meter tall and weighing at 23 kilograms. They were a little bit bigger than the eagle raptor. Now the Herrerasaurus was slightly taller at about 1.1 meters, but was a lot heavier at about 350 kilograms. Then we have the Paladiosaurus, which was about 3 meters and weighed up to 4,000 kilograms. But wait, they get even bigger than this. Well, the dinosaurs in the Triassic period got extinct due to a massive volcanic activity. This moment set the stage to bring new opportunities to these species, leading to them dominating the Earth. Jurassic period. In this era, the dinosaurs were not surviving but thriving. They spread across continents, dominating the lush forests and arid deserts. We have the Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus, and Allosaurus. These were some of the largest creatures ever to walk the Earth. But this era also saw the evolution of theropods. These were smaller dinosaurs that had more of a bird-like form. After 56 million years, the Jurassic period comes to an end. This was after yet another extinction event happened. Luckily, this one is more minor. However, due to climate change, volcanic activity, and sea levels changing, some species gone extinct. This once again changes the landscape as the dinosaurs enter their final era. Cretaceous period. Okay, we've now entered the Cretaceous period, but you would be thinking that one of the dinosaurs' biggest stars hasn't appeared yet. Well, here it is, the Tyrannosaurus rex. The T-Rex was a massive beast of about 3.7 meters tall and weighing 9 tons. The T-Rex dominated the Cretaceous kingdom. They were one of the most dominant predators history has ever seen. They were an active hunter stalking its prey with keen eyesight and a heightened sense of smell. They had opponents like the Triceratops and even other smaller theropods. They run at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. But this period wasn't just filled with massive beasts like the T-Rex. There were even more feathered dinosaurs in the Cretaceous period, one of them being the Velociraptor, and the other one is the Microraptor. As I mentioned earlier, Pangaea was breaking up and forming into the continents we know today. But because of this, some dinosaurs were forced to migrate and separate into different areas of the world. These dinosaurs had to adapt to their new environments, potentially changing the course of their evolution. But the end was near. Cataclysmic event. An asteroid has been making its way toward Earth. Then suddenly it hits, creating a massive crater 150 kilometers wide and 20 kilometers deep. The asteroid's collision is massive, but its impact is felt long after the initial crash. Due to the massive collision, the environment drastically changes. This impacts not only the dinosaurs' health, but also their food supply. This devastating event wipes out 75% of the Earth species, many of which were the dinosaurs. But don't worry, Not all of the dinosaurs went extinct. The remaining dinosaurs evolved into birds, which we see in our modern period.